Hello everyone. Today we are here at Mitsubishi Electric's Zero Energy building, SUSTIE in Kamakura City. SUSTIE is an office building that achieves both zero energy and wellness at the same time. Okay, let's take a look. This building is a net zero energy building, or ZEB for short. ZEB is a building that produces more electricity than it uses. In order to do this, we have installed various components that have high energy saving features, such as air conditioning, ventilation, lighting, water heating, elevators, which use a lot of electricity. Plus, we have solar panels on the roof and other places. This building is called SUSTIE. SUSTIE is the name we created by combining sustainability and energy. In addition to energy saving, we wanted to create an office environment where we could do research on the health and comfort, wellness of the people working inside it. You'll see later, but this is a very, very comfortable office. SUSTIE has received the highest rank of certification for the ZEB and wellness. Okay, let's take a look inside. Here, you see many measuring devices and sensors. Here, we are measuring things like temperatures, humidity, CO2 concentration, pollen, and other values. We have around this building around 330 data points we are collecting to monitor the office and control air conditioning and blinds. So it's IoT in action. Here, you see many screens and graphs. We're showing the building environment using the data collected by the sensors. If there's a problem in the room's temperature or CO2 concentration, we can immediately improve it. These screens show the total amount of electricity used by facility and the amount of energy we're creating by using solar panels. We can also monitor the number of people in each room so we can avoid congested environments. This system is also used to evaluate various research projects. We're running simulations to predict how much electricity this building will use annually. We are deciding the best air conditioning and lighting settings based on weather conditions and the number of people in the building. What is really cool is we are using artificial intelligence to do this. We're finding the best combinations of air conditioning and lighting that save energy while creating a comfortable environment. There's really many combinations, so it's difficult to find the best combination manually, but by using AI, it's very, very easy to find the best combination. This is a DC power distribution system. Solar power is a DC power source, so by using this, we can deliver the electricity directly to the building. We have also installed various equipment that runs on DC power. Normally, most building equipment uses AC power, so to use solar power, we need to convert DC to AC power. By using this distribution system, we have no loss converting from DC to AC, so we can use our solar power sources very, very effective. So, how was this short tour? As you've seen, this is a building with a lot of great energy-saving technology inside. But it's not only energy saving. We have created this open air space, planting green on walls, and constantly thinking of how our people can work more comfortably. We have this concept called activity-based working style. There are places where it's easy to collaborate with your colleagues, and quiet places where you can focus on your work. Thanks a lot for joining us on our tour. We will keep you updated. There are many more products going around to achieve carbon net zero and taking care of environment and wellness at the same time. So, bye-bye from SUSTIE. Thanks for listening. Thank you for watching today. If it was interesting, please press the like button. We have much more on our SNS and YouTube channels, so please subscribe. See you again!